Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm going to teach you to make nice tasty garlic beef steaks with some coconut rice on the side. So stay tuned, give me that like, share this video. Yes. To make amazing beef steaks, all you need is these ingredients, and you're gonna have the best beef. Of course, your beef cut into chunks, some vegetable oil, some salt and black pepper to taste, and 1 cup of rice, some soy sauce, some desiccated coconut to spice more, some paprika, some cumin. You can use any spices that you have in the house. Yes, let's get started. Yeah. The first thing is, in a large skillet, I'm gonna put some oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure it's really hot because we want to hear that searing of the meat as it cooks. As it's getting hot, we're going to work on our onion and garlic. Our oil is hot. I'm gonna put our meat in. I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes. After cooking for 2 minutes on one side, we're going to turn on the other side and let it cook. We're going to put half a cup of water and let it cook on it. Going to cover it so that it cooks faster. As that is cooking, in a pot you're going to put some water, and then you're going to cover it, and then you're going to put our rice in to boil. You wash your rice. After washing, you're going to put it in water. For your water, just put some salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil or vegetable oil. So your water has boiled, so you're going to put your rice. After your rice has boiled for a while, we're going to put some desiccated coconut. When you're boiling, you can cover it so that it cooks faster. So all the water is completely dry and our meat is done. We're going to transfer it on our plate. Put some butter on our pan, 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna put our onions and let it cook for just a minute on our butter. That sizzling sound, I love it. Sizzling. So let it cook for a minute before we put our garlic. We're gonna put our 5 cloves of butter. 5 cloves. Remember, we are making garlic butter chicken. So you're putting a lot of garlic on your food, a lot of garlic. We're going to put back our meat. Put some salt, some black pepper. We're going to put our paprika and our cumin. And lastly, we're going to put our 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Look at that, it looks amazing. Look at that, looks so good, looks so good, and smells amazing. Our meat is done. Look at this garlic butter beef stick. You can see it's a steak. It looks so good, so well done. I'm gonna plate this. Look at that, it looks amazing. Our rice is done too. I'm gonna remove it. So I want to create that nice shape. I'm going to use a glass. Plate this. I'm going to plate this. Look at that. Okay. Wow, it smells so good. Wow, this is amazing. Some coconut rice and some garlic beef butter. It is so good. Some garlic butter beef. It is so good. I'm gonna have a taste. It is so good. It is just so good. You can actually feel the butter, the garlic taste. It is so good, and what I love about it is because it's just a nice beef steak. Oh, it's so juicy and so well done. I'm gonna taste the rice, coconut rice. It is delicious, so good. You should try making this at home. You will love it. So good. I hope you've enjoyed this episode making with me this garlic butter beef steak. And if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a comment, like and share. And see you next time. Bye bye.